Welcome all. Okay, today I will going to show you how to create Rolex wedding band. Okay, let's see. We go first circle command. Click this one. Come front view. Press 0. Enter. My diameter size is 17 millimeter. Type 17, then enter. Okay. Now I want to offset this curve. Go to this offset command. I want to offset this one 0.5 millimeter and type 0.5, then enter and click OK. Now I have two curves already. Now I select this outer curves and I want to divide this curve. You go command prompt and type divide, enter. You can turn this anywhere. Okay, then enter. Then I want the number of segment. I type 25 segment, then press enter. Okay, now my curve is already divided 25 segments. Now I want to create my arc. Go here, arc tool, the second command, select one point and this point, select this size, OK and enter. Okay, then I don't want this curve. I hide this one and I want to polarize this curve. Select this one, go to select command, this one, polarize. Select this one, press 0, then enter. Now I want to 25 numbers for array. Type 25 and press enter, enter and enter. Okay, now my curve is already have. I want to select this all curve. Go here, this command, select this one, select all curves, select, and this one unselect. I want to join this all curves. Your join command, press this one. Okay, now join already. Now I want to extrude this curve and this curve, select, go to extrude command, select this one. This one I want to one side only, both side no, solid yes. Okay, this one extrude 2 millimeter, type 2, enter. Okay, now I have this one. I want to mirror this one. Select this one, go to mirror command, type 0, enter. Okay, now I mirror. I have two rings already. Next I want to rotate this one. Select this ring, go here, it's on rotate command, select this one, come front view, type 0, enter. Then you can touch here and click and rotate this one like this and click OK. Okay, now I have to ring. Now I want to mirror this one to other side. Okay, so on select and go mirror command. Mirror here, midpoint select mirror. Okay, let's see that my Rolex wedding band is created already. You also can try this one and send me your feedback. Okay, if you like my video, you can subscribe my channel and like and comment. Okay, thank you.